Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is updates on updates. We got an update on Bell. Beast is going on a road trip. Gaston's going on a road trip. And we need to get some information off the PCM for Diablo Sport, because we are doing a PCM swap for this car. We are going to be doing tuning. So when you want to do a PCM swap, they're going to need your VIN, and they're also going to need the calibration ID, which is located on the PCM, which I'll show you guys. You're going to need a panel popper to pop these panel clips, and the PCM is right behind this panel right here, and then there's a calibration code on the side of it. And then we're going to be doing another install from our friends over at ProClip USA. Awesome angled mount for the charger, and then the same holder that we use for Bell, our 2019 Ram. We're using the same holder for that because it plugs right into your USB for your vehicle, and then you got Apple CarPlay, which I absolutely love. I need to do something with the Beast in regards to Apple CarPlay, because man, I love having Apple CarPlay in the 5th Gen Ram and in this car, because this car's going on a road trip as well. So we're going to do this install today. I'll have all the information for ProClip USA in the video descriptions. And yes, like I said, they're a supporter of the channel, so they are going to have a discount code for our subscribers. So definitely check that out. Always check out the video descriptions. Get that bug out of there. Working on, hopefully at some point, having a discount code for Diablo Sport and Edge products. So if you guys want to do your tuning through those guys, they'll get you taken care of. But we'll set you in the right directions. We'll show you how the process is. When you're going to place your order, you're going to need those two items. You also have the option of taking your PCM out altogether and then sending it to them, and then they'll unlock it and they'll send it back to you. But in our case, I always like to have my stock PCM just in case I never need to take it back to the dealership for anything, or if I sell the car, I want to put that back in there. So I always like to have that option. I always choose to have the extra unlock PCM. Every time we go away on a family vacation, guys, this is what we do. We have this water jug that we fill throughout the year with coins and just spare change, and then we'll put it in a large bag like this, and this thing is heavy. And then we run into our bank because they have those coin deposit things. We'll get a slip, we'll take that cash, and then we'll spend that money on the boardwalk as a family. So we're gonna go take this to the bank today, and let's see how much money's in here. And if someone guesses the closest to it, they're going to win some Ram Beast apparel, some Ram Beast merch. How much money do you think's in the bag?
$230.
Kylie's $230. Kendall?
Approximately $197.
$197? I'm saying $200. I'm saying $200. Wifey's doing laundry. I'm not going to put her on camera, but how much do you think? $202. And as luck would have it, poor Heather, she's not feeling well. First day of vacation starts today, and she's not feeling well. Sucks. So we are gonna pop the panel here with our panel popper. Hopefully we don't have to take it completely out. This cowl here, we can get away with just popping this side, and getting in there low enough to get a photograph of the actual calibration ID. You got an air filter in here. You can just take that off, and you can use this to get some leverage to pop this one out. I'm gonna take these off of here before they go flying. I was hoping to just be able to slide the camera down in there to see the calibration ID, but unfortunately it looks like I'm going to have to actually unbolt the PCM. Okay, we got the two 10mm nuts off the studs, and it looks like hopefully I can get it out far enough that I can get a camera or actually see it. That's what we're working with down there, guys. Don't you even think about it. Get your little butt in there and run away. All right, this is what we got going on, guys. I'm not gonna take it all the way out. If I were to take this all the way out, I would want to disconnect the battery in the trunk and then disconnect this, then slide it out. But it looks like it's gonna be fun taking this thing out anyway, because you got this air filter right here. Looks like your cabin air filter right there, blocking. It's actually sitting right up against the main harness plug for the PCM. So I'm not gonna go all crazy until it's time to swap this thing out. But I believe I got what I need by taking my camera and just sliding it down in here, getting this out far enough away from here to slide my camera down in there and taking a photograph of that so I can send it to Diablo Sport. So, done. All right, we got the PCM all bolted back in. Gonna put this cowl back down. Pretty simple. We'll send that information off to Diablo Sport and stay tuned for a future video where we install it and install the new tunes from Diablo Sport. Pretty excited. 2019 Chargers getting some tuning. And to come and think about it, guys, I know how I said I wasn't going to do full tuning for the 2019 Rebel. We may change our mind here after doing this. We may be doing some full tuning. Then we can see what real power numbers it's putting down. So I know it's putting down a lot more than what's showing on the dyno with that speed limiter. We're at the bank. How much do you think that weighs, Kendall?
A good 10 pounds maybe? Feels a lot heavier.
So I forgot to mention, if you guys guess the closest to this, make sure when you're listing whatever your guess is in the comments, put your Instagram username in there so I can reach out to you guys and let you know if you won the Ram Beast March, so I can get your specifics. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting us. So the tally's in, but I can't tell anyone yet, but one of the family members was extremely close, like almost dead on, and I'm not going to say who it was. But now we're en route to Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group of Downtown, Pennsylvania, because Belle's going to get something while we're away. She's going to get a little treat, a little more. We're taking care of Belle lately. We're giving Belle a lot of love since the crash. But you guys been commenting below about this, when I'm going to do it. Well, this thing that you guys been asking about is getting done while we're at the beach. We're out, Jeff D'Ambrosio Auto Group, downtown Pennsylvania. If you guys are interested in looking at any Mopar or just any vehicle in general, make sure you hit these guys up. They have a huge inventory, as you guys can see. We're only in the front of the dealership. Now we gotta find the wife, because like I said, it is a huge dealership. Look at that orange ruby. Puppies? Where's Mom?
She's right there!
Where?
Sitting on the bench.
Yeah, where's her truck?
I don't know.
Hi. I'm gonna show them the back of your truck and what we're doing to it. So, what we're doing, guys, we're dropping Belle off for the week to get her Line-X done. No more scrapey scrape. We're gonna protect it. As you can see, it's we didn't even put much in here besides Girl Scout cookies and some other things, but it's already taken its toll on the back of Belle. So more love for Belle's booty. Thanks.
There's wholesale, there's Trip Ass California.
Here's keys, buddy.
That's
Take
it?
good care of her.
I'll have her.
Appreciate it.
Cool.
I told him already. I said if anyone's in the hunt for a new car
Let
or
me know.
anything,
Come on.
doesn't matter what make, model, Joe will take
Gotcha.
care of you guys.
How long do I have this for?
What's that?
How long I got this for?
Until Saturday? Is
Okay.
that cool?
Yeah, absolutely. Cool.
You feeling any better?
No.
That sucks. It's like, guys, it's crunch time. Getting ready right before vacation. We're not leaving today. We're leaving the next day. But there's so much stuff to do. And the poor wifey's not feeling well. And we got all this crap to get done in like a short period of time. What a bummer.
I know.
She's still trying to smile though. Look, that was a little bit of a smile. Let's get some food in you and let's get back home so you can rest.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it, guys.
That's so nice.
She knows I love her. But here's the situation. We never made it back home. We were at urgent care trying to get some meds into Heddy because she probably has a sinus infection. So she'll be down for like the first couple days, probably not feeling too great, but at least she gets some meds in her and she starts feeling better. These two knuckleheads in the back seat are driving me insane.
Yes, we are.
So all I want to do is get home. We'll get Heddy home, finish installing the ProClip USA mount and holder, and call it a day. That's all I want to do, guys. Did they fix you?
I have to go get medicine.
Did they call it in?
Yeah.
The viewers all want you to feel better.
Thank you.
They don't want your vacation to be ruined.
Strep and double ear infection.
What? Strep? I just got to drinking your soda.
That was dumb.
Well, it was by accident.
That was real dumb.
So now am I gonna get it?
Probably.
No! Come, getting ready to install the mount from ProClip USA on our 2019 Dodge Charger. This is the ProClip angled mount from ProClip USA. As you can see, it's for your 2011 to 2018, but this is a 2019, still working for 2019 Dodge Charger. That's what it looks like. Very simple install. We can't live without ProClip USA in any of our vehicles. Once you have it, guys, there's no turning back. You'll never go without it. Trust me, trust me. It's a disease. No, it's not a disease, but you guys get it. It is such a great product. It doesn't damage your vehicle installing it, and it's easier to remove it in the future if you need to. Just an all-around great product that's universal to some extent with their cell phone holders. You got so many different options with your cell phone holders, and you can mount it to these different mounts. So we chose the USB powered dock, and it works with our cases with our iPhone 10, but there's a plethora of different cell phone holders that you can get through ProClip USA, whether it's Android, you got your iPads, different other devices. Definitely an awesome company, and I love their product, and I won't go without it. I need it in all my vehicles, and driving this 2019 Charger without one for such, well, it's been a couple months. It's been rough, it's been rough. And having Apple CarPlay in conjunction with this mount, oh man, I'm telling you guys, I'm not steering you wrong. You're gonna love it. Open the package here. Here's your instructions. Yes, I'm actually gonna read those, guys. Angled mount. As you can see, you got your double-sided tape right there, there. And this is where your cell phone holder is actually gonna mount to this angle mount. Very cool. ProClip USA. Love their stuff. So we got the gap tool in there, separating the console from the lower portion on the sidewall of the console. Here we're gonna put this in just above the radio station and climate control. Try to spread the gap a little bit. I'm gonna remove that adhesive on both ends. I just don't want to overcomplicate this, guys, to you by reading the instructions verbatim. It's a pretty simple concept. You're going to be putting this and in between here. The gap opener is actually going to separate this little instrument cluster from your salt portion of your dashboard. You already separated it down there. That portion's going to go down on the sidewall of your center console. So I'm going to line this up a little bit down here. Okay, so we know where we got to be height wise. So we are going to, I mean, you just literally slide it in there, and then we're gonna slide the gap tool opener a little bit up. Make sure ProClip USA is in the right direction, and yeah, like I said, it's not uber complicated. Now we're gonna install our cell phone holder, and for now, temporarily, I'm probably not gonna hide the wire, but I might at some point run the wire underneath here and plug it into the USB in here, because we love that Apple CarPlay. And now on to the cell phone holder with the USB. It's device specific, so your actual cell phone holder or device holder is going to be different than what we're using, unless you have an iPhone X. So here's your holder, guys. This right here is going to mount right to your ProClip mount, and then we're just going to run this down and plug it into the USB. Comes with the 4 screws, very small Phillips screws that you'll use to mount this to this. This actual holder right here there's a Phillips in here. You undo that Phillips and this will pop off of here so you can mount this onto here, because you're not going to be able to put this on here the way it is right now. So we're gonna remove this from this little base, and then we're gonna install this to the mount. It's loose. And then we're gonna pop this off the base. There you go. In previous videos, I've actually removed these, and that's from not reading directions, but I got scolded by ProClip. You do not want to remove these two Phillips. These are what you use to adjust the actual cell phone holder. You can extend this back and forth, and you'll see that in a second. So I'm not gonna tighten it down all the way yet, and you don't want to over tighten these, because like I said before in previous videos, you're going into plastic. You will strip it, and then you'll be like, ah! You don't want to be like, wah. Snug it down. Don't go crazy. Absolute best mount out there. Now, if you didn't have a USB port in your car and you just want to plug it in your cigarette plug, it comes with that, but we don't need that. You'd see the Phillips sticking out right there. Put it back in. And tightening this down, the tighter you make it, the tighter this will be to turn it and tilt it. So keep that in mind as you're tightening this up. I do like mine fairly tight, because you don't move this in a whole lot. Man, that's an awesome spot for it right there. I might loosen it up a little bit. All right, so let's see if it'll fit. Nope, it's not gonna fit, guys, right? So this is what you gotta do. Those two screws I was telling you about earlier, this Phillips here, so that's already pretty loose. And this guy here, that's how you spread this. Kendall's my assistant, guys. She's doing an outstanding job. So what I usually do is I'll take it, I'll seat the phone all the way down, and then I'll close this down around the phone. And that's, you don't need to go any tighter than that. And then I'll pull it back out, and then I'll snug these guys down, these two screws again. And again, you don't have to overkill it. Let's get them nice and snug. Perfect. And let's slide it back down again. Boom. How freaking cool is that? That's awesome. What are you wearing there? Oh, ProClip USA, what? And we'll just fish it down here for now. Plug it in. Actually hide this underneath there. And the wife will be happy. Thank you, ProClip USA. Love your products. Oh, check it out, girl.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
Not good.
Go to bed.
I'm getting ready to.
All right. Did you come out to give me a kiss?
No.
No?
I don't want to get you sick.
I don't want you to kiss me on the lips.
Don't need to think about it.
Oh, we feel bad. It's the absolute worst getting sick on vacation.
I know. I don't.
It's horrible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash, tap, do something to that subscribe button.
Smash it like the Hulk.
Next video will be in Ocean City, Maryland, enjoying our family vacation. You may or may not want to watch that video. There probably will be some automotive content in there with the beast, but it's going to be vacation time too, and hopefully Heather's feeling better. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.
You should watch that video. You should.
We'll see you on the next upload.